Umholi we-I-EFF uJulius Malema ethula inkulumo njengoba namhlanje iqembu lakhe beligubha iminyaka eyisishiyagalombili lasungulwa uthi manje iqembu lizonikela enkantolo yomthethosisekelo ukuze lithole imvumo yokuthi kuvulwe izitatimende ze-CR17. Umalema uthi kukhona abeza kuye bamtshela ukuthi igama lephini likamongameli we-I-EFF uFloyd Shivambu likhona kulezi zitatimende kodwa uthi lokhu akulona iqiniso.
Someone came to me, fellow fighters, during the week and said, our deputy president is in the CR17 documents. We want to say to them, one, that our deputy president is not in the CR17 documents. But as a matter of principle, whether he's there or not, we want those documents unsealed. And our deputy president himself wants those documents unsealed.
Umalema usagxeke isinyathelo sikamongameli wezwe sokuthi ajube amasosha ezindaweni ezakhahlanyezwa udlame KwaZulu-Natal naseGauteng.
The soldiers were sent on the streets of South Africa to threaten people from exercising their democratic right. We warned about this and we want to warn again.
Lo mholi we-I-EFF uthi amasosha angamagwala ngokungayi kwawo ePhoenix nokuyilapho okabulawa khona abantu abamnyama.
There are guns in Phoenix. We have not seen the so-called brave soldiers, Mabena, in Phoenix, to go and fight those guns that the Indian criminals have been unleashing in Phoenix. You feel that you can fight, you've got the necessary power and machinery to fight, go to Phoenix. I want to see something.
I-I-EFF iphinde yaphakamisa ukuthi singanqamuki isamba semali esingama-R350 nokuyimali ekhokhelwa laba abangasebenzi futhi le mali kumele yenyuswe. Ngingusamkele Maseko wezindaba ze-SABC ngibika ngiseGoli.